Hi guys, Uncle Mike here again from Clearview. Now some of you would have seen our next gen mirrors, and we've had a few phone calls from people wanting to know how to set up their mirrors for maximum vision. When you come from a convex mirror, it gives you a very broad view. The problem with a broad view is when you're looking back to the back corner of your van, everything looks so minute. And if you're backing it down your driveway or in somewhere that's tight, you won't be able to pick up that detail through your mirror. The next gen mirrors have a flat glass which gives you real distance back to the vehicle beside you, and the bottom mirror is a convex which will give you a broad view out to the side. If you're going to change lanes, you always need to glance into this small convex mirror before you start to move over. If there's nothing in this mirror, you can confidently move over, whether you have a van on, a boat on, or nothing at all. When you're towing and your mirror is extended like that, it doesn't make any difference to the mirror what's around you. You will still see the same things, right? And you still set the mirrors up the same, because now instead of you looking down the side of the car, you're looking down the side of the caravan. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a little bit of a demo here, and we're going to actually film what's in the mirror from the driver's seat, and I'm going to walk back here, and then I'm going to hop into my car, and then I'm going to drive the car over into the next lane, and while I'm doing that, we're going to film into the bottom convex mirror that's down here, so you can see exactly what's happening in the convex mirror. And I'll show you how you don't have to worry about people traveling around you, and you'll always know that they're there. If you know they're there, you're not going to move over them. It's when people don't know what's alongside them that get them killed. So please take all this in, and when you set up your mirrors, if you set them up the way I'm suggesting, you'll have a trouble-free run for a lot of years to come. Thank you. So now you guys can see me in the top mirror, and I know that because I can see the camera lens. So you guys must be able to see me, and it's no different whether the camera's there or whether the camera's not. What you are seeing here now is real vision. Okay, so I'm going to go for a walk back to the car behind me, and then I'm going to come up behind this car into the what would be an outside lane, and then Dave's going to drop the camera down into the bottom convex mirror, and then you'll see exactly what's around you. Okay, here we go. Okay, now by looking into that convex mirror, you should be able to see all of the cruiser that's there. Now, this car is right alongside of the 200. So now you should be able to see the car. That's the lane beside you. You can set it out further and get out even further if you like. Okay, so go away, set your top mirror up so you can just see the edge of your vehicle in this edge here, and then this one here, just so that it's your car is outside of that vision, and that should give you enough vision out to the side of the vehicle. Go do.